Okay. Good evening, sir. So today we are doing a assignment for the subject production and operation management. So we are going to ask you some questions related to production department for your company. So I would like to give you a short introduction for yourself and for the company as well, sir.
Uh, I am Ravindra Amle. I am Vice President Technical at Bilmet Fibers Private Limited. We are manufacturing the jumbo bags, which is manufacturing from the polypropylene. And we are manufacturing the tapes from the polypropylene granule. Then we are making on the circular weaving looms the fabric. Then the next operation cutting, printing, and after that we are manufacturing the jumbo bags, which we are exporting to the different countries.
Okay, sir. So I
So
would like to start my
would like
questions.
to start my questions.
Uh,
Yeah,
so
please.
okay. So my first question
Okay,
to
so
you,
my
sir.
first question to you, sir.
Please switch
Please
off your
of your
mics, Akash. And
mics, Akash.
so my first
So
question
my
is,
first question is, sir,
what are the key
what are the
challenges
key
you face
challenges
in
faced
material
in
handling
material
at your
handling at your
facility,
facility?
and how do you address
How do
them?
you address them? See what happened earlier. Actually, we are getting the raw material from the Reliance, which is located in a Jamnagar and Hajira in a Gujarat. So we have to take the material with the big vehicles, the 9 tons. Then we are started to 18 tons, so that our transportation cost has to be reduced. But what is happened? Our godowns are little bit inside, so we are not able to take the trucks near the godown. Then what happened? We are made the equipments like our rotating belts and all, so that in a one place and a safe place we have to keep the vehicle, and we can shift the raw material on the rotating belt, the conveyor belt, and then we can stack in our godown, so that we are like that we are manage the our transportation and material handling equipment. Right now it is a we are stacking very we are handling very properly.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Uh,
Uh,
so my
so
second
my
question to
second
you is,
question to you is,
can you
can
describe
you
any
describe any
technological
technological
innovation
innovation
implemented in your
implemented
material
in your
handling
material
system
handling system
and their
and their
impact on
impact
people
on people
operations?
operation? See what happened. Now my company is the near about 20 years old. So starting, we are start with the small production, 150 to 200 metric ton. Now we are producing approximate 600 metric tons. So earlier we are used to keep the raw material near the our plant area. Our raw material is a polypropylene, which is coming in the 25 kg bags. Earlier, it was easy to handle nearby the plant area, but when our the productivity in production increase and we are expand the company, then we have to make we are made the godowns. It is a quite far from the plant. Then transporting the bags, again it was a challenge. Every day we have to transfer near about 20 metric tons material. So what we are did, we are put both the side of the plant the godowns, and we are put the conveying system the through the pipeline, so that in a godown itself we are having the conveyor system through the pipeline, which is transferring material to our tape plants, and we are saved the labor cost as well as the inside uh, the raw material keeping, so that we are got the too much place in our plant area.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So my last
So my
question to
last
you is,
question to you is,
how do you
how do
manage
you manage
procurement and
procurement
supply
and
chain
supply chain
logistics
logistics
to ensure timely material availability.
See what happened, Jamnagar and Hajira, it is near about 1700 to 1800 kilometer from the Bangalore. So it is taking near about 5 days to reach here when the material is starting from the Reliance plant. Then again, we have to make the orders and all. Sometime it is a same day it is a happening. Sometime it is a taking 1 or 2 days also. The holidays and all the different state, different holidays are there. So we are keeping the 8 days material stock with us. Right now, as I told, we are having the 20 metric ton per day production capacity. So 160 metric tons we are required any point of time when we are ordering our next batch. So what we are did in our ERP system itself, we are put whenever there is a 200-ton stock is with us, then we have to start our purchase plan. By that, we are managing our procurement.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir.
Now,
Thank you.
we
Now,
should be
we
taking
should
over
be
from
taking
here.
over from here. Okay.
First of all, thank you, sir,
Well,
for
thank
joining
you,
with
sir, for
us.
joining with us.
My first question is,
My
what
first question is,
strategies or
what
tools do you
strategies or
use
tools
to
do you
optimize
use to
material
optimize
management
material
and
management
reduce
and
associate
reduce
cost?
associate cost? As I told you, we are having the conveyor belt system to shift our raw material from trucks to our godown. Then pipeline conveying system from our godown to the plant, so that we are save the time as well as the labor cost also.
Okay, sir. My next
Okay, sir.
question
My
is,
next question is,
how do you balance
how do you
inventory
balance
level
inventory
to
level
ensure
to
smooth
ensure
production
smooth
without
production
incurring
without
excess
incurring
cost?
excess cost? Uh, See what happened. The raw material always we have to keep to run the plant and projects, because if any shortage will incurring the labor cost, the fixed cost and all those things. We are having 20 metric ton per day our production capacity, and the raw material is coming Reliance factory from Jamnagar Hajira, which is 1700 to 1800 kilometer from here, which is taking near about 4 to 5 days on the road to reach. So we are maintaining the 200 metric ton the inventory level, so that our cost. And another thing, suppose there are the, because our material is a petroleum material, so if we are finding there is a rates are increasing in future, that time we are keeping quite more material with us. When there are the downfalls of the raw materials, that time we are cut to cut, not more than 200 metric ton we have to manage. Like that we are making the our plannings.
Okay, sir. So my
Okay,
last
sir.
question is,
So my last question is,
what are the challenges do you face in inventory
what are the
management,
challenges do you
and how
face in
do you
inventory
address them?
management, and how do you address them? Inventory management, normally we are not face much challenge, but what happens some of the time, if there are the problems in a Reliance industry or the supplier side, so we are keeping near about 2 to 3 days additional raw material with us. Then the conveying system, we are as per the requirement, we are developed the conveying system, so that uh, it, it is a timely, it is reaching to our plant, as well as we are having the ERP system, which giving us the ratio, what is the requirement against the consumption, so that we are whatever the challenges we are facing, we are overcoming on that.
Thank you, sir. Now over to
Thank you,
Akash
sir.
Mishra.
Now over to Akash Mishra.
Thank you very
Thank
much
you
for
for
joining.
joining.
Sir,
Sir, can you
first
first
question?
question?
what quality control measures are implemented in your production process, and how they contribute to operational excellence?
See what happened. We are having the multiple production areas, polyethylene to tape manufacturing, then tape to the weaving, and weaving fabric in a roll form to the cuttings. These are all the tailor-made materials. So each and every place we are maintaining the quality control system to measuring the tapes, its denier, its strength, as well as the width of the tape, all those things. That we are some of the things we are measuring visually, and some of the places wherever there is a required, we are maintaining with the our machines, the quality control equipments, just like a tensile strength machine. For the width checking purpose, we are using the dial gauges, which we can call the micrometers, and for the weight management purpose, the weighing scale, the linear weighing scale. Then it is a tailor-made product, so that the width of the fabric, the grammages of the fabric, that again we are measuring with the instruments like our tapes, metering tapes, as well as the weighing scale.
So my next question is, can you provide an example of control issue you encountered and explain how it was resolved?
Can you repeat once?
So can you provide an example of quality control issue you encountered and explain how it was resolved?
See, some of the time, whatever the exact quality is required, like denier of the tape or strength of the tape, and when it is not getting the machine temperatures, machine speed, and raw material, everything is the same, but there are some issues is happening due to the mechanical problems, or there are some hitting problem which is not visually able to see. Such a time, when quality team, they are giving the result, and we are analyzing that and correcting the required parameters, we are controlling the quality. It has happened so many times, just like our requirement of the 1000 denier tape, entire material is going with the same way, same speed, as well as the same stretch ratio, but the denier is increased.
So my
That
last
time,
question.
when it is not complete, then when the quality control team, they are bring the report, based on that, again we have to correct our machine speed, the stretch ratio, to maintain the width, and we have to produce the tape as per the required thing.
Sir, so my last question is, how do you approach prevention to minimize downtime and ensure
See, we are using the system MTTB, MTTR system. What is the MTTB and MTTR? Sorry, MTBF and MTTR system. MTBF is a mean time between the failures, and MTTR is a mean time to repair. So those system we are using and analyzing our maintenance, so that where we are required more time in between, and how we have to control that by measuring that and by the experience, we are controlled.
So, thank you, sir. Over to Emily.
Over to Emily.
Yes, sir. Thank you for coming.
Yes, sir. Thank you for coming.
So my question to you is,
My
what
question to you is,
strategies
what
do you use to balance
to
preventive
balance preventive
maintenance with
maintenance with
reactive repairs,
reactive repair,
and how do these
and how
strategies
do these
affect
strategies?
Can you come again?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
What strategies
What
do you use
strategies
to
do you
balance
use to balance
preventive
preventive
maintenance
maintenance
with
with react
you,
to
how do these
how do
strategies
these
affect
strategies
production?
affect production?
See what happened. There are the OEMs instructions in a manuals. Ki how timely we have to maintain the different preventive maintenance. Then by our own experience, just like we are having the 15-20 years experience, so timely we are maintaining that. Ki based on our experience, ki the our manuals, OEMs manuals are saying this, and yes, if we are cross those time, then there are the production may hamper, or machine may get the failure, and production will hamper. So based on that, we are putting some the our hourly maintenance. There are the daily maintenance, weekly maintenance, monthly maintenance, and yearly maintenance, or we can say the total preventive maintenance of the machines. So this is based on the OEM's manuals as well as our experience.
Okay, sir. So my
So
next
my
question to you is,
is
how do the
how do the
operation
operation
you manage
you manage
influence
influence
strategic business
strategic
decisions
business
at your
decision
company?
at your
See, what happened? The proper scheduling of production plan, procurement, maintain the relationship with the customers, and the ERP system, how we have to produce our material, how we have to maintain our factory with the different level.
Okay, sir.
okay, sir.
So,
So
uh,
uh,
shall I go to
just
the next question?
the next
Shall I go to the next
shall I go
question?
to the next question?
Yeah.
Okay, so my last question to you is,
Okay, so my last question to you is
which operation tools
which
or
operation tools or
have you have
have
had
you
the
have had the
business and business
business
decision
and
advice?
business decision?
See the project management tools, customer relationship management, ERP, data analysis, communication, and collaborations. Those tools we are using to control and establish our business.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank
Now,
you, sir. Now,
Thank you so much, sir,
thank
for
you so
joining
much, sir,
for
for
this
joining
interview.
for this interview.
It was great
It was
talking to
great
you,
talking to you,
and we
and
have learned a lot of great
a lot of
insights in the
great
field of
insights
production department and
in the
logistics. And surely will
logistics, and surely will
it was very good
was
to
very
you. And
good
thank you so much.
to you. And thank you, sir.
Okay, best of luck, all of you, for
Thank you,
your
sir.
Thank you, sir.
current projects as well as the
Thank you, sir.
future life.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.